So we have next the sign of Aquarius. Aquarius, this is happening in your second house of money. It's a new moon. It's a potential new beginning. So the question is, what is it that you're doing that could help lead you to this new potential new beginning in the house of money? What is it that you are doing that could lead to this new, brand new potential in the house of money? Are you working on some kind of project or something like that that could lead to more money in this way? What I'm most concerned about, because there's a subtle emphasis also in the 12th house, is that you do something or experience something that is kind of leading to your undoing when it comes to your finances. I would not do anything like purchase. I wouldn't purchase anything unless it's necessary over the next few weeks, Aquarius or Aquarius rising people. I would be very cautious with where I spent my money. And I would watch my money. I would save my money. I would protect my money, because the 12th house also could mean that you can't see where you might be in jeopardy, or someone might try to come and attack or take what you have, or just kind of pull the wool over your eyes. So I want you to be careful and cautious of that someone might be trying to pull the wool over your eyes. And this, especially when it comes to your money. So protect your money, secure your money, and stay on top of your money. Okay, that's the whole point. Just stay on top of your money, Aquarius. All right. Anyway, this has been Adrienne, Capricorntigress of Astrology, alookinside.com. I hope this resonated with you, Aquarius. And please let me know in the comments below if you are an Aquarius and if you feel like this resonated with you in some way.